So today we got a very special video. Like today I'm gonna be going over little Rizz tips and tricks and shit, bro. Like basically like Rizz and for beginners. So like without further ado, let's begin the video. Like, alright, so what is Rizz, man? Like I'm gonna try to give y'all from the first step all the way like how to do this shit, man. So look, I don't know who I am, man. I'm Young Roof Finch, man. I do YouTube. I be getting the females, you feel me, Rizz, quote unquote, right? And I'm not even gonna put it like I'm like the best Rizzer or like the coldest Rizzer, the best looking Rizzer, like none of that gang. I'm gonna tell y'all like tips and tricks on how to Rizz in general. Like you don't gotta be the best, you don't gotta be the best looking, you don't gotta be the richest, none of that, bro. So like without further ado, man, let's start. Like I'm telling y'all gonna have to end me on this one. But look though, gang, like first step on Rizz is having good confidence, bro. I promise you. Confidence is the number one thing. Like confidence is the number one thing, and that's like the first thing that a female is going to look at. Like if you don't have no confidence in yourself, how the you expect somebody else to like take you serious or anything? That's with anything. That ain't even with just Rizz and a female, but like first things first, you gotta have confidence, bro. You cannot be scared like of what could happen when walking up to a female. That's another thing. Like a lot of guys be scared. They too in their head. You feel me? You just gotta go, bro. Like who cares if she denies you? Like who cares, bro? Like it's a lot of guys out here who's scared to shoot because they gonna miss. Like have y'all seen Steph Curry miss a shot? Yes, I know. Is he the greatest shooter of all time? Yes, I know. Like Steph Curry misses, y'all. So I say that to say this. Like the first step with this getting females, Rizz, and all of that, the number one thing be confidence. Like that's your first step. Once you get confident and you realize, hmm, hmm, I could get her, or I could talk to her. Like she might like me, or you feel me? Like I could do anything I want. That's your first step into success with this Rizz and stuff. So that's my first tip: is have good confidence. Like this is me right here, but like, Rue, it's nice to meet you. Rue, like Euphoria.
Okay.
It's nice. Yeah, you look good. I ain't gonna lie, you my type for real. Listen, okay, another thing. When you meet the female and you go to like greet her and like introduce yourself, you're supposed to tell her about herself. Like if she looks good, the first thing you should be telling her, or the second thing, is you look good. Like girls like hearing what they want to hear. Like females love hearing you look good, you look pretty, you look nice. You know what I'm saying? So like if you confidently walk up to a female and introduce yourself and you tell her she looks good, that's two tips right there. That's two. Like I'm telling you, you are on the right path, young man. Like if you walk up and you tell her, you know, hey, my name is this and that, you look good. Now she's listening. Now she's all ears. Now you got her where you want her. And that's like, now you going down the street that all these good Rizzers goes down. Like girls don't, it gets to a point to where girls start Rizzing you when you start feeling it enough and you that much of an alpha. But like when you starting, you know, you gotta work. Like you gotta work for the females. Like they're not just gonna line up. And you feel me? They not just gonna, they waiting to hear somebody tell them about themselves, man. Nothing else could have got me through this whole video right here with no confidence. And like just being nice, bro. You just gotta be nice. Like it's when you introducing yourself. All right, now let's get to another key point. Let's get to another key point right here. And this is the key point where I'm gonna call eye contact. eye contact might be my biggest, what word could I say? Eye contact is my biggest, like, I want to say, like, ability, like power, like the power of the eye contact, y'all, is so key when it comes to this Rizz and female thing, y'all. Like, soon as you make eye contact with a shorty and you talking, like, you giving her your aura, you're giving her, like, if you making eye contact, she's gonna fold, bro. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all. Like, it's no other way. I'm trying to tell y'all, the eye contact is so key when it comes to this stuff. So we got confidence, we got compliments, and we got eye contact. That's 3 tips right there. If you walk up to her, like, don't be looking off into the sky, looking off to the sun. Like, when you talking, while y'all right there, make eye contact. Like, she's gonna feel you in her chest. She's gonna feel you in her, you know what? Like, I'm telling you, I don't know what it be. Like, they fold, y'all. Like, take a look. Like, I mean, I'm looking at the camera and shit. You know what I mean? It wasn't even the goodest example that I could find, bro. But I swear to God, it's just all off the fly, bro. I don't cap, like, bro. Let's just look. This is when I was raising baddies at a day party. Let's look right here. This is another thing, fellas. Like, you gotta know when to abort. I ain't gonna lie. Knowing when to abort is another, like, key point into talking to these females. Cause I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes you just not a girl's type, and that's okay. You gotta realize not every female is for you, bro. Like, it's okay to not be some female's type. I'm telling you, like, I didn't got denied, bro. All my brothers didn't got denied, bro. I didn't seen every YouTuber that y'all look up to. Bentley, Prime, Kai. All of them didn't got denied, bro. Like, you just gotta know it's part of the game, bro. And just gotta just stay confident, my brother. And you feel me? Like, man. Just we should do something. Look, hop in my vehicle quick. Hop in my vehicle quick.
Okay. No, is it gonna be still quick? Oh, okay.
Today we're here with Ari. This right now, I was saying, like, could I take you to brunch soon? Like, would you let me take you to brunch?
I knew it was gonna be a stupid answer. Yeah.
It ain't no stupid questions today.
Yeah, we can go to brunch. Yeah.
I'm going to fellas. So y'all see how she was, like, trying to, like, joke around kinda and stuff. And I'm like, that's the thing too. Here go another point right there. You see how, like, she was, like, snally type, like, goofy, and I'm like, what's up type shit. Like, I'm keeping it thorough. Like, you gotta know when to tap into that mode, bro. You can't teach it. You can just only tell it. Like, I only could tell it. I'm telling y'all, like,
For
real, we should do something. She, like, if they extrally goofy, they already like what they see. So I'm saying, like, it's cool to smile back and stuff, but, like, you gotta get to your point. You gotta get to a point where you get to your point. She asked me if my vlog was gonna be stupid on my questionnaire or whatever. Like, I'm like, nah, come on, like, you feel me? Like, know when to smile with your boys, especially. So that's my final point. Know when to smile with your boys and, like, joke around, cause when you with the beautiful female, you gotta be thorough, bro. Like, you can't. Today we're here with Ari. This right now, I was saying, like, could I take you to brunch soon? Like, would you let me take you to brunch? I asked to take her to brunch. She said she knew it was ready to be a stupid video. I'm like, feel me? This ain't stupid. You feel me? I'm acting like that though. You crazy if you think I'm really this nonchalant. This is part of like Rizz, fellas. You feel me? Like you gotta be on some. What's up? Like.
It ain't no stupid questions to dance and stuff.
Yeah, we can go to brunch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to DM you. I'm ready. Here go my Instagram. I'm ready to DM you.
Okay.
There you go. I'm trying to get up with you. For real.
Alright. Oh, we record.
Out of here, man. Like, you feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna keep giving y'all tips. If y'all want some more tips and shit, like, I got y'all. Feel me?